Welcome back to Trading Mantra, an initiative to learn and trade. Today, one more interesting topic which we're going to discuss is ways of call providers trapping retail traders, because nowadays most traders are getting trapped by the call providers. So, before starting on the explanation, one small disclaimer is I am not against any call providers, and I personally don't provide any paid call providing services, and I will never do provide any kind of paid call service even in future also. Okay, so I have separated three categories of call providers trapping retail traders. Number one is the newbie, second is the legend, third is the ultra legend call providers who trap retail traders. So now, first let's talk about this newbie category. Very important. Watch this video, entire video, and decide whether still you want to follow this call providers and lose money in the market. If you ask me, stay away from the call providers, learn and then trade. So let's go to this first category of newbie call providers. What this kind of call providers will do is they will give some call. Let's assume bank nifty, they are telling to buy a call option at a price of 500. What they will do is they will tell to place a stop loss at 450. Okay, so how much point we are getting a stop loss here is 50 points. On a bank nifty option, I am speaking option buying. Bank nifty option buying, not speaking anything about selling here. Bank nifty option buying, all the three categories. Call option 50 points stop loss. Now what they will do is entry is 500, target 1 510, target 2 520, target 3 530. Okay, they will give three targets. Now look at the risk reward. What risk reward are you getting here? 50 points stop loss. If 510 triggers, you are getting 10 points profit. Again 50 points stop loss. If 520, 20 points. 530, 30 points. Look at this. Now interesting here is when you are losing, if the stop loss get triggered, you are losing 50 points. And if you are following this call provider, when you are making profit in the same option, you are only making 10 points here. Now this is tricky here. Why they are giving this three target? Because sometime what will happen, price from 500, it will come to 510 and reverse back to 450. Now what they will tell you is, this newbie call providers, what they will tell you is, sir, price came to 510, my target one is triggered, why have you not booked profit? Same category, what will happen sometime is price will come to 500, entered, it will go to 520, so not 510, it will come to 510 and then it will reverse back to 460. Again the bank nifty option will go to 520. Now what this call provider will tell you is, sir, why have you booked at 510? Now look at price is going to 520, my target 2 is done. Now what will happen? Rocket auto bomb will come continuously. Rocket auto bomb will come continuously. Especially this kind of activity happens in a telegram, especially on the telegram app, telegram call providers, they will start posting rocket here. Now first what you need to learn on this, I will summarize after explaining this all three categories, and I will tell you what you need to learn, and you need to be aware and stay away from this kind of call provider. This category number one. Now come to the legend category. What they will do is same option buying. They will tell you to let's assume this legend is telling you to buy a put option, trapping legend. Few may think call providers are legend. Trapping legend. He is telling to buy a bank nifty put option at somewhere around 450. Okay, somewhere around 450. Now what he will do is, this is entry done. Now what he will do is stop loss. What he will tell, sir, for if you want to know the stop loss, you have to join the paid call service, or else free may stop loss not possible. Okay, now what will happen is different category again. Price from 450, it will move to 460. Rocket will come, auto bomb will come. Price will move to 470. Rocket will come, auto bomb will come. He will not tell when to exit. This category trader all will not tell the target, will not tell the stop loss, because if you want target, if you want stop loss, join paid service. What they will also not tell you when to exit. 460 rocket, 470 rocket, price will go to 480, again rocket, from 480 it will come back to 400. Entry is 450, remember this, price will come back to 400. Now no message will come from their end. If you personally message and ask this legend trapping call providers, what he will tell, sir, price went to 480, why have you not booked profit? Now 400 price, 50 point loss means I can't do anything, because I posted rocket. What you are doing this, doing there when price went to 470, 480. Now interesting here is some super telegram traders or call providers, what they will do is, price has came to 400, now from 400 it will go to 550 in next 1 hour or 40 minutes. They will continue this rocket from 480, they will continue the rocket to 550. If you ask them, sir, you have entered, told me to enter at 450, price came to 400 and now 550, you should hold the trade, sir. Why are you booking profit? Whether I told you to book the profit, sir, they will never tell you to exit. Remember this. They will never ever tell you the exit level or target level or stop loss. For all this, you have to join paid call service. This is what they will tell you. Okay. Now comes the ultra legend. Wait for this video. Watch throughout the video. At the last, I will summarize you very important and eye-opening perspective of how these traders are, call providers are trapping you. Now comes the ultra legend. Ultra legend means they have a strong database. Okay, they will have a strong database. So now what is mean by database means they will have like 10,000, 20,000 traders mobile number. Okay, 20,000, even 1 lakh traders mobile number. So for easy example, let's take 1,000. Let's assume this ultra legend has 1,000 mobile numbers. So he will call everyone. What he will do is he will split this category into two, that is 50-50. 500 traders on the left side, 500 traders on the right side. Now what he will do is he will give the same call to both the traders but on a different style. For example, to this 500 he will tell buy bank nifty. He will tell, he or she, I am not naming anyone, I am not against anyone, he will tell you buy bank nifty. Let's assume bank nifty is trading at 35,000. Same to the next 500 category, what they will tell you is sell bank nifty, same 35,000, sir, either bank nifty will move up or move down, so either seller's stop loss will get triggered or buyers, once let's assume buyer's stop loss is getting triggered means seller's target will get triggered. So what happened? They are filtering here. So they will not even call this 500 traders. They will continuously call this category of 500 traders because target triggers, sir. They will brainwash you to join paid service. 1,000 is just a small number for explaining you. This is what brainwashing. Now understand newbie traders. These are three categories. Why I have split it is newbie traders, newbie call providers, trapping call providers are just having low followers or low members. Legend trapping call providers will have a decent followers, decent number. Ultra legend, they have just a database of 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, lakh, 2 lakh traders mobile number. They will call and tell me we will provide free call, trial call provider, ultra legend, they will do like that. So now this is what the three style of category which I have splitted for the trapping call providers. Now let me ask you few things. Let me now speak the reality. Try to understand a call provider who's giving a call to buy at 500. Okay, the same he is giving a stop loss of 450. This is stop loss, this is entry. Now two things which you need to look: risk reward. Number one, you have to look at risk reward on any trade you are taking. Number two, very important, is whether he or she, the call provider I am speaking, is trading the same call or not in his personal trading account. In his own trading account, he or she, whether he or she trading the same call, entering same trade on his 90%. If you ask me, no. Why? I will tell you. Try to understand, because from 500 price will move to 510. They will open Telegram app and only post rockets, sir. 510 rocket, 520 rocket, 525 rocket. Try to understand. Human can do one job on a good with full concentration. He or she, human, general human, can do one work. So either if he or she is call provider is posting rocket for every 10.5 point in Bank Nifty option, means trading on his or your personal account is 80 to 90% next to impossible. Okay, this is number one. So now when it comes back to risk reward, 500 entry, 450 stop loss. Now here what is happening? Target 1 is 510, target 2 is 520. Sir, try to understand. Let's take target 2, forget about target 1. 20 points. Target 50 points stop loss. That means let's assume you are following this call provider. Next 10 trades, you are following this call provider. He is giving the same kind of category: 50 points, 40 points stop loss, 10 point, 20 points target. Next 10 trades, let's assume in which even 7 trades targets trigger. 7 trades target hit, rocket auto bomb will come. 3 trades stop loss. Let's see the outcome here. 7 trades, 20 points target getting triggered. So 7 into 20, 140 points profit. Forget about brokerage, forget about charges here. We will keep that aside. Only 3 trades stop loss got triggered. How much point? 50 points stop loss each trade. 150 points gone. So already you are here 10 points in minus on the option per lot. One lot only I am speaking for easy understanding. Plus there is brokerage charge, additional charges, whatever the transaction, SEBI fees, whatever, all this charge. So now what will be the minus? How much you will be in negative even with one lot? Approximately, if you add all this brokerage, I am just giving a rough number, you will be minus 200 or minus 300 points per lot into 25 Bank Nifty option. Just calculating. This is a rough calculation I am telling you. Where is the risk reward, sir? You need to look at risk reward first. If you are not looking risk reward, gone. This is one category. This is I'm just summarizing here. Look at this. This is just a foolish. They are just fooling you, trapping you. And now, what next category? The ultra legend. What they will do is start giving a fake promises. Trading capital return. Trading capital return. What they will tell you first? They will ask what is your trading capital. Let's assume you are telling 1 lakh for easy calculation. 1 lakh is your capital. Ultra legend. All the call providers, not take ultra legend category. All the trapping call providers, what they will tell you, sir, you have 1 lakh. Follow my call providing service. I will give you 30% return per month, not per year, sir, per month. 30%, 40% return per month. 50, some will be super powerful, 50% return, or next level trader is 100% return per month. Now calculate here. 1 lakh, 30,000, 30%, 40,000, 40% goes on 50,000, 50%, and 100% means 1 lakh. So this is way far enough to trap retail traders, sir. Now what retail traders will do? Get attracted. Oh, very good. We have 1 lakh. We will get per month 30% return month on month basis. What if we come up before joining the service? Let's make our capital 5 lakh. 5 lakh means 30%, 1.5 lakh. Am I correct? Yes. 40% means 2 lakh. 50% means 2.5 lakh profit. 100% means, sir, in 1 month capital double. Don't get trapped here. This is just fooling you. Okay. If try to understand, if the same person call providers who is promising you 50%, 100%, 40% return per month, if he or she can make the same return, why he is providing a service to you? Try to, logically speaking, 40%, 50%, 100%, if this call provider can make money, why he will tell you the same call personally to you by just getting this call provider with different categories? Some will charge 2,000, some will charge 3,000, some will charge 10,000. Sir, try to understand. 1 lakh is your capital. And small calculation, let's take a decent calculation, 5 lakh is your capital. Okay, this 2000 call provider will tell you 30% return. Sir, I'll try to understand. He is taking from you only 2000. For 2000, how he will let you to earn 1.5 lakh? Next to impossible. And next, this guy who is taking 10,000, how he will let you to double his capital in just 1 month? Next to impossible. And one more thing, if the same trader has a power to double capital every month, I'm not speaking 1 month, let's take 1 year. 1 year, he has a capacity to make 100% return per month, means without even compounding 12x. His capital of 1 lakh will become 12 lakh without compounding. If this call provider has the superpower, then he or she will not waste time by taking selling a service for 10,000, 2,000, and letting you to earn 5 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh on a 5 lakh capital. Okay, just logically speaking, think on it. If you are still following call provider after watching this video, what I will suggest, I am thought of sharing this reality, what I will suggest you, very very important, we need to speak this. What I will suggest you is, stop following this call providers. Honestly speaking, learn. You can learn from anywhere, everywhere, but learn. I'm not advertising here that, sir, you need to join some course and learn. I personally don't run any paid service or paid course. Whatever I'm trying to share, I make sure to sharing on a free platform, on a free basis only. Okay, so I don't run any paid call service or course, so no point, I will not do any kind of marketing here. Okay, simple, what, no marketing, simple. For learning, what you need to do, first read books. Okay, read books and try to implement. Look whether the content is working on live market. There are many ways. You can read books, or you can learn from the chart which I am posting, video which I am posting, or follow some traders who post many valuable free content on YouTube. You can watch that. But before joining any paid course, think first, get the basic knowledge from a book or some free video content available. Try to implement in live market. Then you can think of go ahead and further basis on joining anyone's course. I am not gonna suggest any course or anyone. I have no recommendation, no marketing. Okay. So anyway, but first learn, simply learn. Okay, and respect the risk management. Simple logic I am speaking. Everything will automatically come to you. Profits will flow like anything once you learn, sir. Okay, only learning can save a trader. To be profitable, I'm not speaking anything. To make profitable, you have to first simply learn and stop following this call providers, sir. Money can't be 99% of time. From my experience, I'm telling, on a long run, for next 1 year, if you are following this call provider, 99% of time, either you will lose money or you will quit trading. Okay, you have came into this trading business to learn and earn, not to quit trading, not to lose money. Think twice or 10 times. Be practical. I'm just trying to share as much of trading reality as possible. Later it's up to your trading decision whether you want to still follow call providers and lose money, or spend your time effort on learning.